Look what we discovered last week. Now today's job is to recover all the strawberry plants and fill it up with more compost. Wish us luck. Alright, it's all clean. Now we're going to put some more compost in and hopefully these strawberries will come back to life. When you're planting these, you don't want to plant higher than the crown. So make sure all the roots go in and you just press down where that crown is. Planting them nice and close because I think most of them will die. So we'll see. If I need to, I'll move them to another garden bed. Off to feed the chickens. Alrighty, I've just put some mulch on it to keep the moisture in, and I'll give it a nice quick sprinkle with some fertilizer and a drink of water, and they're good to go. Hopefully we'll get at least 50% of these coming back.